They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone.
Hi and welcome back to BIM Solutions. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the walls within Revit to create our own wall type. For this we're going to create a new project, use the architectural template, and up here in our architecture tab we have wall. We'll drop down that. We're going to use wall architecture. See, there's lots of different types already preloaded into Revit when we install it, none that suit our project. So we're going to go to Edit Type, we're going to hit Duplicate, and you can call this whatever you like, whatever suits. I want to show you how to model a house in Revit in one of our next videos, so we're going to use the wall build-up for that. For that we're going to use 20 plaster, on the mill block work, $125 insulation, 25 air, that's 100 block work again. We want to go with 12 mil plaster and 3 mil finished plaster coat. Click OK. Now we're going to edit the wall build up. So we want to push our core boundary from 3 up to 2. We can insert a few tabs here for the extra layers we're going to add. I'll show you what all these do when we get our wall created and we can edit when we have a wall drawn. So here we want to change this to plaster, so we'll type plaster in up here and search. Click this use render appearance. We want to change that to 20. Now here we want this as a structure. I'm going to use concrete masonry units. I want that 100. Now we want this as thermal air layer. I want to type in air. Let's say it's 25. Now we're going to change our insulation from fiberglass to rigid insulation. Here we're going to change this. I'll show you why. You don't have to, but it's something I like to do. Change it to whatever you like, whatever color. Click OK. We want that 125. That's perfect. And concrete masonry unit 100 structure. Now we want to add one more. So click on this, go insert. This can be a substrate. Plaster again. Click OK. I want that as 12. This here is going to be 3. And we're going to change this to stucco. Now you can see it's down here, so we're just going to click this to push it up into our project materials library. And click OK. Now that's our wall built up. These numbers here, they are like a priority list, so 1 being the highest, 5 being the lowest, so 1 will always try and connect to 1, and anything less than 1 won't pass through something with a priority 1. So the insulation won't pass through the structure through 1. The 3 won't pass through 2, and so on. I'll show you how that works in a minute. So go ahead and click OK. We're going to draw our first wall, so we're going to go to level 0 as our base constraint. I'm going to use level 1 as our top constraint. And you can go ahead and draw your first wall. You can see that's our external side. That's our internal. There's our finished plaster. And when drawing walls, Revit likes to go clockwise. So I'll show you now what I mean. Just matter, I'll just throw these in. Now you can see it's put our internal finishes here on this side. But if we were to draw the other way, let's put them on the external side. Now we can just select the wall and use the space bar and it'll flip them over. But we need to do that for each one. And as you can see there, 1 meets 1, 3 and 3, there's 1 and 1 again. Now if we want to create a wall off that again, so just select your wall and create similar. You'll see the insulation won't pass through 1 to connect back up here. Now there's loads of different things you can mess about with there, your wall build up to make some elements join. So here we'll push, we'll just try a few things. We'll push this down, click OK, click apply, click OK, and you can see it has let the block pass through everything to connect up. So you can just select your wall and drag it out the other side. That's just by moving our core boundary. So just go at it again. Push that back down. And we will select this layer here. Push that down. Click OK. Just pull this out of the way so you can see what happens here. Click apply. And it stops it again because this is our core boundary moved again. So it won't allow our wall pass through our core boundary. So our core boundary is set here now. You can see it won't allow the wall to pass through on this side, but if we drag it over this side, it'll allow it to go back out to its core boundary. Because that's the external side of the wall there. That's the external, that's our core boundary, so that's why it's allowing it to join like that. So we're just going to keep messing about with this, just to show you how it works. So we'll push that back up. Okay, click apply. Let's see where it is again. Now we want to set this layer as our structural material. Click there. Okay. Apply. Just messing about with these things is the best way to find out, I find anyway. So we want to for the wrapping we want the exterior. Apply. You can see the plaster comes around the corner there. So we're going to edit type again, and we're going to change that. And we're going to change this to wraps. Click OK. OK again. And you can see here, this is our priorities again. Our finish 4 is the external side of our wall. Our finish 5 is the internal, and it won't allow the finish 5 pass through the finish 4. That's just a quick tutorial on walls. I wanted to show you that in a separate video to make it easier to start off modelling our house in the next video. If there's any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.